lecture we will learn how to draw the projection of a line which is inclined to one of the plane, let's say HP or VP. Okay, line is inclined to HP or VP and parallel to other plane. Okay, got it. Now fourth case, line inclined to HP, line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Okay, so these are the important cases. So first of all, we will try to draw our plane. Okay, this is, let's say, vertical plane and this is our horizontal plane. Okay, now a line which is parallel to VP and inclined to HP. This is the line okay, I have to draw a line which is parallel to VP. Okay, this is our VP and at certain angle to HP. Okay, so initially let me draw something. Okay, line. Okay, okay, so this is our line AB. Consider this as a line AB. So this is my line AB which is at equal distance, the end A and B are equal distance from the VP. Okay, so if these are the equal at equal distance, then line would be parallel to VP. Okay, since if I extend this, it will meet on the x-axis. Okay, and this is a line which is in the x-axis. Okay, and this is the angle, let's say theta. Okay, so you can easily see the line AB is inclined with HP, making certain angle theta, and at the same time line is parallel to VP. So its projection on both the plane would be when you look from the front side and when you look from the top side. Okay, so initially what we need to do, the first projection will be on the VP. Okay, so note here I'm writing some points. Okay, so initially what we have to do, we have to make projection on that plane, projection on that plane with which line is parallel. Means initially in this case line is parallel to vertical plane, so we will draw its projection on the vertical plane. So let's say this is A dash, this is B dash. Okay, then we will draw projection on the other plane. Okay. Okay, so if you look from the top, its projection would be over here and over here. Okay, so this would be A and this would be B. So this is the projection on the HP and this is the projection on the VP. Okay, is it clear? Now what generally we do, we rotate our plane by 90 degree. Okay, if we rotate our plane by 90 degree, what will happen? This was my plane. Okay, so VP and HP, this is XX, both align with each other. Okay, got my point. See, on the front view what we have a line which was initially parallel to the HP. So these were the point, and on in parallel to VP, and on HP we have this line. This is A, this is B, this is A dash, B dash. Okay, so if you rotate this, you will get, this is your drawing sheet. Okay, mark a line on your drawing sheet, XX, which is the intersection line. So this dimension would be given, this dimension would be given, this length would be given. Okay, so starting from this is my A dash. Whatever be the angle with HP is used in VP, let's say theta angle. So in VP you mark a theta angle. So this is B dash. From B dash draw line on the intersection A0, B0, and whatever be the distance, this mark over here, and this, if you look from top, A dash would be here and B dash would be here. It means this is my projection in HP. So this is your answer. Okay, is it clear? Here just pay your attention, this length is your true length. Okay, this is called the true length. We will get true length only in case if a line is parallel to any plane. Okay, in this case line is parallel to VP, so we will get true length in VP. Okay, true length means this is the actual length of the line which is given. Okay, if the actual length of the line is 50 mm, then this would be of 50. If 30, this would be of 30. Okay, this is not a true length, not a true length. As you can say, this length is smaller than this one. Okay, so this is not a true length. So in order to get true length in this case also in HP, what you have to do, open your compass and place over here, taking this as a radius. Okay, this as a radius, mark a line, mark a curve, or rotate this point in this direction so that this point and this points come in a straight line. Okay, after that from this point draw a straight line. Okay, up to the extension of AB. Okay, so this is B dash. Now AB dash is her true length. Okay. Okay students, now question is given on the basis of the case that we have done. The projection of a straight line AB, we have to draw the projection of a straight line AB whose length is given 50 mm. Okay, so in solution, length AB is given 50 mm. Okay, and parallel to VP, another line is parallel to VP and inclined to HP by 45 degree, and uh, and A from HP 30 and the upward direction, and from VP 20 mm. All dimension is are in mm. Okay, so in front of VP. So if you look, first of all we have to locate our line. Okay, means our line is in which quadrant. So this is our HP, this is our VP, 30 mm above HP in this first, in front of VP. So our line lie in the first quadrant. Okay, so in the first quadrant it is very clear that VP is above the line. Okay, and HP is below the line. Okay, so here, okay, so here we will draw our solution. Okay, based on the data given, I'm directly drawing the solution on your drawing sheet. What you have to do, you have to mark a line which is XX. Okay, good. And now what is given? Okay, we are given AB length 50 mm parallel to VP. So first we have to draw this case. Line is parallel to VP. Okay, and in the last lecture मैंने आपको बोला था कि वॉट एवर बी द डायमेंशन गिवन विद एच पी वी विल यूज़ इन वी पी. जो भी मुझे डायमेंशन एच पी के साथ दिए होंगे वो मैं वी पी के लिए यूज़ करूँगा, और जो वी पी के साथ दिए होंगे वो मैं एच पी में यूज़ करूँगा. यहाँ पे मुझे जो एंगल दिया हुआ है वो एच पी के साथ दिया हुआ है, और तो मैं कहाँ पे यूज़ करूँगा, वी पी के लिए. ओके, और एच पी से डायमेंशन कितनी दी हुई है, 30. कहाँ पे यूज़ करूँगा, वी पी के लिए. सो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड चूज़ एनी पॉइंट. ओके, गो 30 mm above. Okay, mark your initial point of the line A dash as VP is above the line. Okay, now from this point draw dotted line and mark a line of 50 mm length at an angle of 45 degree. Okay, by measuring 45. So this is my B dash, this is the projection of B dash. So I have completed the projection in my VP. Okay, now what is the dimension with VP given, 20 mm. So this we have to use in HP. So by 20 mm come down. Okay, I have come down by 20 mm. Okay, so this is, since line is parallel to what, VP, so we will show line parallel to x axis in HP. Okay, so this is my A dash and B dash. So this is the solution of my problem. Okay, Okay, so this is the solution of our problem. Very simple. So this is our true length. Okay, in order to get the true length in HP also, what you have to do, taking A dash as a center, open your compass equal to A dash B dash. Okay, rotate the point B dash up to the point A dash. Okay, so from this point draw a straight line. Okay, that join A, sorry, these are A and B, P1. So A B1 is true length. Okay, so I have marked A dash. This is actually A, this is B. Okay, okay, next case is case fifth. When a line is parallel to line is parallel to HP and inclined to VP. Okay, this is similar to the case when a line is parallel to VP and inclined to HP. Okay, so what we have to do, so again we will draw our first quadrant. Okay, now line is parallel to HP and inclined to VP. So let's say this is the projection that we want to draw. So what I'm going to do, okay, so let's say this is our line A B. Okay, as this line is parallel to HP, since this distance and this distance is equal, so if you extend this line, okay, this line will make certain angle phi with VP वर्टिकल प्लेन. ये लाइन को अगर मैं एक्सटेंड करूँगा ना, ये VP के साथ जाके यहाँ पे फाई एंगल बना देगी. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि लाइन इज इंक्लाइन टू VP. ओके, बट यहाँ पे देखा जा रहा है कि लाइन का जो दोनों एंड के डिस्टेंस है वो हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन से बिल्कुल बराबर पे है, तो लाइन इज पैरेलल टू HP. okay, when you look from the top we will get A B as a projection. Okay, similarly when you look from the front side, okay, so this is my projection A dash B dash. Okay, now after that what we do, we rotate our plane by 90 degree. Okay, after rotation the plane by 90 degree, what you have, both HP and VP will align itself, HP will align itself along the VP. Okay, so this is my VP in the first quadrant, this is my HP, this was the intersection line. ठीक है. Okay, so line was inclined to VP. अब VP के साथ एंगल है, लेकिन एंगल मुझे दिखेगा कौन से प्लेन में? अगर ऊपर से देखूंगा ना तो ये एंगल मुझे HP में दिखेगा, है ना. ये देखिए, ये एंगल मुझे HP में दिखेगा. ठीक है, क्लियर है. तो व्हाट वी डू, वी इनिशियली ड्रॉ अ लाइन. ओके, वी इनिशियली ड्रॉ अ प्रोजेक्शन. हम कौन सी प्रोजेक्शन ड्रॉ करेंगे? HP के अंदर. कि HP के अंदर, क्योंकि लाइन जो है वो पैरेलल टू HP है. ओके, ठीक है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी ये डिस्टेंस दिया होगा लाइन का, VP से जितना भी डिस्टेंस दिया होगा उतना मैं डिस्टेंस नीचे आ जाऊंगा. ओके, तो यहाँ पे मेरा A पॉइंट हो जाएगा, और जितना एंगल VP के साथ दिया होगा वो मैं HP में यूज़ करके ये बनाऊंगा. ओके, उसके बाद ये मेरी प्रोजेक्शन आ जाएगी. ये मेरा B हो गया है. सिमिलरली जब मैं VP में बात करूँगा तो मेरी A डैश B डैश इन्हीं एक्सटेंडेड लाइन के ऊपर होगी एट द गिवन डिस्टेंस. सो दिस इज़ माई प्रोजेक्शन. ओके, इसको आप रोटेट करके अपनी ड्राइंग शीट पे बनाएंगे. ओके okay, on the basis of this article, now we are able to solve a numerical. Okay, now the statement is, draw the projection of a line AB, length is given 50 mm. Okay, line is parallel to HP, inclined to BP, means phi is equal to 45 degree. Okay, and A is at 20 mm from HP and 30 mm from VP. Okay, so first of all we'll see if a line lie in first, second, third or fourth quadrant. Since this is our first quadrant, second, third, fourth, above HP is given how much? 20 mm, and this is in front of VP, not written but in front of VP 30. So line lies in the first quadrant. So I am directly solving our question. Okay, no need to draw the quadrant, those were for the understanding purpose. Okay, so what you have to do, draw a line XX on your sheet, a horizontal line. Okay, line is parallel to what? Parallel to HP. So first of all we have to draw our projection in HP. Okay, this is clear. So what is the distance given from the VP? From the VP 30 mm, that will be used in HP. Okay, so from any point A naught, come down by 30 mm. Okay, so this is my A point. Okay, draw a line length of the line is 50 and angle is 45 with VP के साथ एंगल है तो मैं HP में यूज़ करूँगा. So let's say this is my 45 degree angle and length of the line is 50. Okay, so this is my another point B. So this is the projection in HP. Okay, now we have to draw the projection on VP. Okay, for VP हमें HP के साथ क्या dimension दिया हुआ है? सिर्फ 20 mm. Okay, so I'll go 20 mm up. Okay, this is the point. Draw a horizontal line up to this point, extend this. So this is another point. So A dash, B dash. So this is my answer of this problem. So we are getting true length in HP because line is parallel to HP. Okay, in order to get true length in VP, what you have to do, taking this as a center, AB as a radius, rotate this point up to this line, then from this point draw a line, straight line, so that it join A dash B dash. So this is, let's say, B1 dash. So A dash B1 dash would be our true length.